welcome back to my channel. For the first time viewers and the returning viewers, today I'm going to be refilling my towel garden, and I'm going to be putting water in it and testing the pH balance. So stay tuned. Thank you for stopping by and watching my channel. now that I got my water in the reservoir, I'm gonna be putting A and B mineral blend in the Tower Garden. So I already did my calculations. I had 9 gallons and a half. So I'm gonna start with A. I already shook it up and everything, so make sure you shake it up before you put it in too. So it's gonna be 20 milliliters per gallon. So I'm gonna do of A 190. That's right there. And this cup goes up to 200 milliliters, so there it goes. This is A. Pour it right in. And I already had water in the reservoir, so I didn't need to put too much in there. So when it get low again, I'll refill it. So this is B. And the same amount, 190. Okay, pour it right in. Now you want to have gloves on with this too also. So you're going to stir it. Right. Now you want to test the pH balance. Since you didn't put the mineral blend in it. So this is the chart you're going to go by for your pH. And you want your pH to be in between 5.5 and 6.5. So let's try to get that. This is what you're going to put your water in. You're going to do 5 milliliters of this. Put your out of here. Then you're going to put 5 drops of this to test your pH. So here we go. The end. There we go. You see it? Remember, 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully we can get 6.5 or better. I mean, or less, or. So I wanted to do it again. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, we're gonna shake it up. So it's looking good, so it might be there already. So let's test it against the paper. Let's see where we at. Are we right here? we're at 6.0, so that's good. So I don't need to test it again. Now, if it was below the requirements, you would use your pH balance mix. So either A or C. So this is the acid one. This is the base one. So according to your pH balance, you would use either one. Alright, I thank you for watching my video today. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And come again. Ultimately, I want you to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my community. I thank you for watching my video. Come again. And I'll see you on the next time. Also, if you're interested in growing your own fruits and vegetables, like I'm doing here, yep, look at my description box. Go to my website. You can purchase your own. I thank you and happy growing.